My name is Logan Chandler. I'm a senior, go to Blue Valley Northwest. I've been taking a lot more engineering and CAD classes, like design development. Today, we just introduced our catapult challenge. It'll be different set targets, and our catapults will be at different levels. And we gotta design a catapult to be able to launch at certain levels and to be consistent at these levels. And we get to make it 5 times in a row to get full points for it. So right now we're just researching, just finding what designs we like. And then if you do find something, then we'll start designing today. So my first year taking this class, it's a lot of design, a lot of research you kind of have to do. And you kind of learn how hard it is to design. Even small things, for our first project with our boats, how hard it is to make a boat just go straight was almost the biggest challenge. And not even worrying about speed or anything, just until you can get it to go straight, you couldn't really do much else from there. So it's a lot about learning the design process and how long it takes.
I would describe Logan as an enthusiastic learner. He brings in the enthusiasm to meet his designs. I had him last year as well in classes, and he's been in the woodshop classes a lot too. The career pathways down here is anywhere, any kind of skilled trades, and from construction, woodworking to the college path of engineering and architecture. They can see some tangible evidence of what they can make. You can take these professions and actually be successful and have a good career and be a good citizen.
I'm going to KU and I'll be studying mechanical engineering up there. So I've always loved engineering, and I kind of started taking engineering classes late. So it's kind of late to decide, but now it's kind of set that that's my path.